everybody, sincerely Legenia here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it is time for me to do a little bit of grocery shopping. I am at Costco today. I'm gonna go inside and see what great deals I can find. I'm hoping to be able to get something to have my entire week laid out, doing some more weekly planning. So I've got that in mind while I'm doing some shopping today. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me, and then when I get back home, I'm going to do a haul. So let's see what Costco has in store for us today. Look at this brazier. Isn't it beautiful? It is so gorgeous, and it's really heavy. I don't need one, but I'm just so tempted because it's so pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Hey everybody, I am back and I am getting ready to show you guys everything that I got from Costco. All right, right now I brought Rico downstairs because he's been upstairs all day, and I brought him downstairs just so he could get a change of scenery like I usually do. So the moment I start talking like in my regular loud voice, watch him get loud. I can almost guarantee you he's gonna get loud. But anyway, so guys, here we go. I'm gonna show you everything that I got from Costco, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this haul. It's not really a big haul. It's probably one of the bigger hauls that I've done from Costco. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. All right, everybody. So let me get started with all of my proteins and things that I got from Costco. I'm so pleased with what I was able to get. But you all, when I tell you grocery prices have really gone up, it is crazy right now. It is crazy, but I thank God, for the means to be able to buy groceries. So I'm not complaining because God has supplied all of our needs. So I am grateful for that. So in all things, give thanks. Okay, so I'm giving thanks. Thank you, God, for what you have blessed us with today. So let me share it with you guys. So first, let me start here in the back. I got some ground sirloin beef patties. I know I've showed you guys this before that I got in one of my very first grocery hauls from Costco. This lasted us for a long time, and it was so good. I had to go ahead and get another one because I used the last two patties. See, there he goes, guys. There's Rico. He hears me talking. I used the last two patties the latter part of last week, and so I got another large thing of ground sirloin patties. This comes with 18 in there. We all love this one here. Then I got some of the Kirkland's. Rico! Okay, buddy. And then I got some of the Kirkland's shrimp with the tail on. This was a pretty good deal, and I've gotten this before, and it's lasted me quite some time as well. I usually never get frozen salmon, but I went on and got it this time. What got me was the skinless part. If you guys have been following me for quite some time, you know I do not like the skin on on any of my fish, to be honest with you, but this was boneless and skinless, and I thought I'd go ahead and give it a try. I've never used frozen salmon before. I've always gotten it fresh. So there'll be some recipes coming your way using this, of course. And then I always get this every time we run out. This is probably like my third or fourth time buying the boneless, skinless chicken breast in the frozen section. I love this as well. I also got these right here. These are what they call their air chilled party wings. And let me show you guys this pack. It's really heavy. Let me show you guys this pack. So the pack comes like this, and those of you who've been to Costco, who shop there often, you already know what I'm talking about. It's 1, 2, 3, and then lift it up, and there's 3 more on the other side. I've never gotten these before. I usually get the frozen kind that come in a bag similar to this one. So I thought I'd go ahead and give this a try, because the bag that comes like this, it was $35. $35. The last time I bought them, they were $25, and that was like in November. And here we are in February. They've gone up to like $35, $36, like $35.99. I refuse to pay that much for some party wings, okay, that I'm going to be cooking myself at that. Anyway, so we're going to give these a try, and I'll let you guys know what I think about these. These may be in a video coming to you soon, okay? All right, I also got this sliced grass-fed beef sirloin. You guys, I think I showed this to you all before. The last time I got it, it was really delicious. I did season it a little bit more. It was so good, and I think we put it on... what did we put it on? I don't even remember. But I remember it's in a video that I did a while back. But I remember it was delicious. We enjoyed it, so I went on and picked that up again. I also got a whole chicken right here that I'll be roasting. I also got this rack of lamb. I bought this before. I don't remember if I put it in a video. I don't even want to tell you. You guys, you see how much this is? I don't even want to tell you what happened to the last one that I did not end up cooking. Just know that I spent about this much money and I didn't end up cooking it. If you want to know what I did, let me know and I'll tell you, but I'm ashamed to tell you what I did and how I just wasted that money. So anyway, I'm going to try this again. I'm going to put this in the freezer till I am ready to cook it. I saw this right here, the smoked pulled pork. I have not had this before. If you guys have tried it, let me know what you think, but I thought this would be great to make some like pulled pork sandwiches or something for my family, and then maybe I can have it like on the side of some low carb bread or something like that. But if you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it if you've tried it before. I saw this right here for the first time. These are like chicken breast bites, and you all look at this package here. Okay, I have never bought this before, but I thought this was so neat. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 10 little packages of the chicken breast. Each one is 3.2 ounces. And I thought this was so convenient for the times when it's just me making a meal for myself, or a meal for my daughter and myself, and my husband wants something different. And yeah, that's how we do things in this house, guys. We don't always eat the same thing like we used to do growing up. It's like you eat whatever mom cooks. I have picky eaters here in my house, and so I try to accommodate all of us. I know y'all can get on me in the comments, but so anyway, I thought this would be convenient for those times when one of us just wants something else. We have some chicken breast here. I can just put it in a skillet, add a little bit of seasoning on there, heat it up, or just, it's already cooked. Just add it to a salad, some sandwiches, some wraps. Anyway, totally convenient. I love the individual containers. You can just, break it off here and just use this little one. Again, each one of these is 3.2 ounces, and that's about how much chicken you get. So again, if you guys have tried this before, let me know what you think and let me know how it tastes. I'm going to be storing these in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. And so these are the proteins that I got, guys. I am so pleased with the purchases. Also got some bacon crumbles. We are always using bacon crumbles in something. Okay, and this large pack is usually, I think, $8.99 at Costco. It's gone up, a large pack of bacon like this at Sam's Club, I think it's gone up to like $13, $14, maybe even more than that now. But this is a great deal. This bag right here is 20 ounces. Okay, so really, really good deal. But anyway, yeah, Costco bacon crumbles. Okay, and over here, what did I get? Over here, I got some extra virgin olive oil. This is organic olive oil, the Kirkland's brand. I think I showed you guys one that I was going to pick up, and I think it was like $11.99, no, $14.99. And then I saw this one, and that was 1 liter. This one is 2 liters, and it was also $14.99. The difference was the other one said imported from Italy, and this one doesn't. So, this is just fine for me. You know, there's certain things I look for when it comes to olive oil. I'll share that with you guys in another video, what it is that I look for in an olive oil. And this one right here is just fine. I also got some honey. No, this isn't keto or low carb, but my daughter always comes. And there's sometimes that I do put honey like in my teas and things like that every now and again. But my daughter, she always comes down. She's always like, Mom, do you have any honey? Well, I saw this large one right here. I think it was $11. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get this one. This is like a 5-pound container of honey. So I'll have plenty for you, daughter, when you come down. All right, I got me some smoked paprika. You guys know I'm into spices, and I've been needing some more smoked paprika. I got me some more granulated garlic, and I got me some onion powder. These were some spices that I am running low on and that I need. This is for the times I'm experimenting with spices. I've got another concoction coming up, you guys, really, really soon. Right now, what we're getting ready to release is the blackened seasoning. The last one was the Cajun, and up next is the blackened seasoning. So be on the lookout for that within the next few days, within the next week, actually. But moving on. I also got me some of this Rotel. I have a couple of recipes that I'm going to be needing Rotel for, a couple of things that I'm experimenting with. So I went on and just got this pack of 8. And I'm just going to use this to help me experiment before I present the recipe to you guys. So I got that. We needed some more fruit. I know we have some grapes. Not grapes. I know we have some strawberries in the refrigerator and some pineapple. But I went on and got these grapes because, of course, my husband and my daughter, they love their fruit. And I do too, but I just can't. I'm limited. I got this mozzarella. I've been wanting a caprese salad. I watched Jen Chapin's channel, and she made a beautiful and just a great looking caprese salad. I'm like, you know, I want to make me one of those. So make me one of these and make me one of those, a caprese salad. And then I have a couple more ideas for little pizzas that I want to do using these Carb Balance flour tortillas. I went on and got some of these. I've not gotten these before. At least I don't remember getting these before. The other tortillas that I've gotten online at nutrition.com, but I see a lot of my friends use these right here. So I'm going to give these a try. I have several ideas for these, and I'm sure I'll be showing them to you guys in a video coming up. I also got me some cucumbers. I need cucumbers for a cucumber salad I'm going to be making. I do watch Abby from House of Keto, and she has this delicious cucumber salad that she makes. And I had it when we went to Friendsgiving in Memphis. When I met her there, at Friendsgiving in Memphis, she made her cucumber salad, and so I've been wanting to try to make it myself. So delicious, you guys. I'll probably make it on my channel so that you guys can see, and then I'll reference her channel. I think she has a YouTube channel, but I know she's really big on Instagram. All right, and this is probably going to be dinner today. I don't feel like cooking. I'm tired. I have a headache. So this will probably be dinner. I'll see if my family's even hungry. I know Angelina, she's like in rehearsal at school, so they eat there. She eats there at rehearsal. So sometimes she's not even hungry when she comes in. And then I'll see. I'll just see if my husband wants this or not. But these ribs will probably be dinner. I'm not sure. But if so, it's ready to go. If not, we'll save this for tomorrow. All right, guys. So look at this right here. You see this beautiful roasting pan? Guys, this was only $10. And I've been needing a roasting pan. I know every holiday season when I get ready to make a turkey, I'm always using the foil pan. And I've been wanting to get me a roasting pan for the longest so that the heat can be evenly distributed all around the turkey. Because when you put it in a regular pan, your turkey is just sitting in the juices and the under part of the turkey doesn't get brown. So you really need to put it in a roasting pan so that the heat can distribute all the way around your turkey and the whole thing can get nice and brown, because of course we eat with our eyes first, and that beautiful brown color on your turkey just makes it just magnificent, and that's what I want. So this pan was only $10, so I had to scoop it up. So I got that. I wanted to show that to you guys. So maybe if you don't have one, roasting pan, and you've been needing one, get this one from Costco. It's a great deal. $10. I mean, can you beat that? And lastly, I got me a kitchen scale, because you guys, of course, you know, I'm into the spice business, and I'm always, you know, trying to weigh my spices and things accurately, especially when I'm experimenting here at home. So I got me a new scale, and this one I think was like $20 or something like that. So It's digital. They had one on display in the store. I think I sat there for about 15 minutes trying it out, just weighing different things that I had in my purse to make sure that it works and that it was accurate. So it worked fine in the store. I'm going to try it out here, and hopefully this will be able to meet all of my needs here in the kitchen. Okay, everybody, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Costco haul. I have a lot of things to put away. It wasn't as much, me going over everything. It wasn't as much as I thought it was going to be, but it's still quite a bit. You guys, this grocery haul ended up costing me a little over $300 for all of this stuff. So I'm telling you, I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking, okay? I don't think we're going to go out to eat for the next 2 weeks, all right? This is plenty of food, so I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking. So I pray to God I'm able to get a lot of cooking videos out to you guys. I've got a lot of ideas for some new recipes that I'm going to be trying out, so I'm hoping to be able to bring all of those to you guys. Delicious, low-carb recipes. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody, for another video. It is always a pleasure. Until the next video, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'll talk to you next time right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye, guys.